Mukwala dey say ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko contract extension negotiations no eguso. Na Krobia Asante Kotoko has set the final showdown between the player and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Who asem wa ha me de bro e wo fia ha. Ebeko say Mukwala be stay and I say Mukwala ebeko details kakra en saka no ye de bro e wo fia ha. Me pacho Black Queens I do we here me pa because ye call Olympic Games with football watching. Black Queens, omo de Zambia na ebo Friday. Na Zambia for na ba, from the Copper Queens, omo de the Black Queens of Ghana and the bepem so Friday. Yeah, the support nyina mo. Yes, the support nyina mo. It's all important fixture. Once I say Black Queens for no Hopton wabobo several games in the past. Obobi anu ashe. This is the final hurdle ultimately qualify with this double header. 2 legs. Yebebo Ghana we are near Kobo Zambia. See it me qualifier and no. See it me progress and no yenko bo next ABR. It's a very important that I was say yedi support Emma Sarah Haptel na obono homoden na ode Ghana eko this Olympic Games ebeba so will cry friend of Parry and only information can cry now elsewhere Ghana Premier League ya ban RTU with 3 match home games obeka first leg RTU echo ball with Mediama RTU on indiscipline act because against Mediama and on a final verdict you 3 home game ban with 10,000 Ghana cedi as a fine. Elsewhere, our Ghana Football Association player near friend SMS no Boma House of Folk and a real sportive near and they are appointed as the club licensing manager. Only be say Jumano Black Stars coaching job no Hwasem kakra wa ha but they pro eufia don't to it Mukwala between Kumasi Asante Kotoko ya set final showdown talks between the players and OTT and I may blog ya amount eufia ha now patcho unsubscribe ya wadara no hit the rest subscribe button no about man so na ya build it together information there e be we are say to so na we see the bro eufia ha and follow social media handles no so Facebook ni Super 24 TV Instagram no Kumasi blogman na indika subum now straight into the Mukwala Kumasi Asante Kotoko in pace no the omni Mukwala Kumasi Asante Kotoko I invite for a final showdown between the future with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now it is going to happen after Kotoko Eko Heart of Lions no area Pandu no Kotoko ne Mukwala Asia na oma trash bibia out sa obetna mihu Kotoko amani proposal still on also the case they ka similar of Richmond Lamti players no unima de kunta ye mom proposals na no mo tesosan muayemba ntise no after Kotoko ne Pandu Heart of Lions game no Kotoko asemo a very important meeting with the player and any agents nyina say obetna omo on transfer omo apparently or making demands players no may say washasi receiving offers with the agents no omo discussing in a low key but an only a number public light no inti obeka say e yakukuama asem and o deal with that na the contract in the baby ananka oko and all the private lie on any agents no a deal but Kumasi Asante Kotoko as we speak or club with a contract with the club a running contract banner we but and the club have every opportunity to set up for negotiation extension of contract the no the amawa be clear so on the mention it's Kotoko after Pandu Heart of Lion games no penny for any Mukwala sinkunya with regards to the future chances are that obeko because he cannot o demand no ano then I'm told to say or requested something around $6,000 a month, and also it is never going to be easy for Krobia Asante Kotoko at this material moment. Yen cannot credit. Black Stars coach for now, Black Stars for the airport. Omo chro, omo BM's amount for Choletembra. But unfortunately, let us know more years sorting ya the I don't know. Who be qualified. Some of the man but Oma might just make head hands or more because I now more could pebi no. Ntie ba ne se coaches are mo penyina no pesika not less than $50,000 and only information about for ba e be bro Mukwala the development e ba Mfege and Danlad Augustine Japan reports bi ba me de be bro sisi a